Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the process of creating a new song in the Live Looper application that is able to take advantage of the application's ability to change the progression of the song as the song is playing by either looping parts of the song or jumping from part to part within the song. In order to be able to do that, if we're starting out with a full song backing track, a sound file that contains the sound for the entire song, the first thing we have to do is break the song down into loopable parts. I've got a video that shows you how to do that. There's a link in the description of this video. If you're not sure how to do that, go out and watch that video first, because the output from that video, these 12 parts of sound that you can see here that make up my entire backing track, is the starting point that I'm using here. So once we've broken the song down into loopable parts, it's very easy to create the song in Live Looper. We just simply go to the menu, select New Song. System will ask me to identify the file that contains the sound for the first part of my new song. I'll click on OK. I get a file browser, and I'll just navigate to where that first part of sound is, which happens to be the intro for my song, and I'll click on OK. I'm going to accept the defaults for the song file name, the description of the part, etc., and I'll click on Add New Song. The system will ask me, do I want it to automatically add all of the parts of the song based upon the other sound files that it finds in the folder that contains that first part of sound that I identified? And I'm going to say yes, automatically add those parts. And just as easy as that, I get a full song in the Live Looper app that contains all of the parts of my song and that is fully playable and loopable. So I'm going to click play. It's going to start playing the intro of the song, and we'll just kind of do a little looping by clicking on the loop button here. And it'll loop that part as long as I allow it to. And if I want to jump from part to part, I can click on another part and it will jump to that part. And there we go. So very easy to create. Once you've broken a song down into loopable parts, it's super easy to create the song in the Live Looper application, as I just did. Now, you don't have to use the automatic process to add all of the parts of the song that are found in the songs folder. You can do it manually, and I'll walk you through that process. So let's say we want to create another song using those same sound files. I'm going to click on New Song again. Same process, identify the sound for the first part of the song. I'll just go out and browse and grab the intro again and say open. In this case I have to give it a different name because I've already used this default name. So I'll just add a 2 on the end of it, and I'm going to click on Add New Song. And in this case I'm not going to add the parts automatically. I'm going to say no. And in that case I get a song that consists of only the intro, and I need to manually add additional parts by going to the menu and selecting Edit Song, selecting, using the browse button here, the next part, the sound for the next part of the song, clicking open, giving the part a description. In this case it's verse 1, and then adding the new part. Now the system will add the new part as the last part in the song by default, but you can change that. I'm just going to accept the default, and my new part is added as the last part in the song. Let's go ahead and add one more part. Again, going to the menu, selecting Edit Song, browsing for the next piece of sound of the song, which is this pre-chorus here. Click on Open, give the part of the song a name. We'll call this pre-chorus. And we'll add a new part. And this time we won't do the default. We'll actually place the new part after the intro and before the verse, just so you can see that we can place the new part wherever we want in the song. And you can see it put it right here in the middle of the song instead of the default location, which is at the end of the song. The only other thing I want to show you is, once you have a song, I'm going to go back to the automatic song here because it's got all the parts. Once you have a song in the system, you may want to add lyrics. It's very easy to add lyrics. What I would suggest is go out to the web and grab the lyrics from there. The song I'm working on here, by the way, is Brown Eyed Girl. and I'll go ahead and I'm going to scroll down and expand this so I get all of the lyrics. And this is just a Google search, and it gets me the lyrics in my browser. And I just simply copy the lyrics from the browser, go into the Live Looper application, select Menu, Lyrics, Edit Lyrics, paste the lyrics, and click Update. And now I've got a song, a loopable and dynamically changeable song in the Live Looper application with lyrics. There is a process for training the lyrics so that the system knows when to move the lyrics when the song is playing. There's a link for that video in the description of this video as well. If you want to learn how to do that, just go ahead and use that link as well. So again, very simple to create a new song in the Live Looper application, and we hope you enjoy using the application as much as we do. Thanks again for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.